Can a banana actually save your life? Bananas are rich in potassium, a mineral essential to keeping the heart healthy. Your heart and arteries simply cannot operate as they should if you are deficient in potassium. Because your heart is a muscle, potassium aids in causing that muscle to contract and circulate blood throughout your body. Your heart can keep a normal rhythm and diastolic blood pressure with the help of potassium. As a vasodilator, potassium relaxes blood arteries all over the body, allowing blood to flow freely and reducing the risk of clotting and obstructions that can result in stroke. And startling new research has revealed that your arteries might literally turn to bone if you don't have enough potassium. 1. Eat a banana daily to maintain healthy arteries. The amount of evidence supporting potassium's critical function in preventing heart attack and stroke grows daily. An investigation conducted at the University of Alabama discovered that mice on a low potassium diet had increased arterial stiffening and hardening, but those fed a high potassium diet actually displayed a decrease in these symptoms. By boosting the potassium intake of mice, the researchers discovered they could stop the development of hardened plaque in their arteries. 2. Stop hypertension and stroke risk, especially in women. Long-term research has been done on the value of potassium for heart and arterial health. According to one study, advantages for women are especially significant. Over 90,000 female subjects between the ages of 50 and 79 were examined by researchers for an average of 11 years. They assessed the women's dietary potassium intake, as well as whether they had suffered a stroke during the research period. The most frequent kind of stroke, ischemic stroke, was 16% less likely to occur among women who consumed the most potassium, reducing their risk of stroke by 12% overall. If an artery to the brain is stopped, an ischemic stroke will result. Among the women who did not already have high blood pressure, the association between a diet high in potassium and reduced stroke risk was higher. This shows that potassium may be most useful in reducing hypertension and stroke before they even start. In addition to helping your heart, potassium performs a variety of other functions that keep you healthy and working properly. 3. Bananas control blood sugar levels. A healthy amount of potassium prevents blood sugar decreases that lead to headaches, trembling, and, for diabetics, unhealthful spikes and fall in insulin levels. 4. Bananas prevent muscle cramps. The majority of cramps are brought on by hypokalemia, or low potassium levels. Consuming a banana every day can help stop painful cramps. 5. Bananas reduce stress and anxiety. Because potassium controls hormones, it helps to control the effects of stress and anxiety on the body. To get all these benefits, make sure to eat a banana every day. Your heart will thank you, and it may even save your life. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.